Today I'd like to show you how you can transfer from ChatGPT to Claude without losing any data, using 3 methods from easy to advanced. This data includes your memory, instructions, projects, custom GPTs, and all sorts of PDFs that you have attached. Most tutorials only show you the most basic method, which is what I'm going to talk about as well in my first method. It is the easiest method, but we will explore more comprehensive ways to export all your data. Hi, I'm JJ. On this channel, I share practical ways to use AI to boost your productivity, save time, and get real results. So if that's useful to you, make sure to hit the subscribe and let's get started. This is method number 1, which is the most basic and what most people teach. So first of all, we go into Claude Code and make sure to log in. Once you're logged in, you scroll to the bottom left corner and click on your icon and go to settings. Once you're in settings, you can go to capabilities, and then if you see import memory from other AI providers, so they will just click on import and then they will tell you to copy this prompt from Claude. And I go back to my original ChatGPT account and I'm going to just paste this directly from Claude and let's see what it prompts. If you can see what it prompts, it is just a simple statement and the date. You can easily just copy all this data you have and just paste it in here. And then just simply click on add to memory. So what Claude does is not directly inputting all these instructions directly into their memory. It's going to organize those data into its own structure and then put all the necessary information inside its own memory. After a few moments, you can see view and manage memory. So just click on view and manage memory and you can see your data. As you can see, this is a summarized version of what you pasted. You can't really directly edit it, but you can go hover to this edit button, click on edit, and tell Claude what to remember or forget. So after that, it will just add in all the information into your memory. So you can't directly manage this memory like how you did on ChatGPT. The reason they don't allow you to import all your ChatGPT data into this memory is build up the context window really fast. So each conversation you have with Claude, they basically have to read through your context window, which will burn through a lot of tokens. So we have limited amount of tokens every few hours. So if we have too much in our context window, we will use up these tokens and then we need to wait again to use Claude. So you want your context window to be as summarized as possible, but still captured all this data. The next method is to use a more advanced prompt, which will dig out all the conversations and chats you had with ChatGPT. So go to ChatGPT and open a new chat. So easily just paste this prompt, which I will link down in the description, where I'm going to include it in all my prompt spreadsheet. And currently I'm in the ChatGPT Pro version. So if you can, you just go and choose the thinking one, which will have more context window and will dig up more chats. Otherwise, if you have the free version, you can just paste this in. So it's just so if you look at the text, it's just basically acting as a personal conversation archivist and trying to dig out as much information as possible. Once you paste this, you can see a very long response on all your chats and history. The result is a 52-page summary that captures years and years of conversations without losing any important details. So this is a really impressive prompt I found on Reddit. You can summarize all the chats that you have. It is really detailed and really deep, and you'll be surprised of how much it knows about you. Once you do that, you can either copy and paste it all into Claude, or you can ask ChatGPT again to summarize all the information, since now it will have more context and it will see and summarize even more clearly. But that doesn't mean it can import all the projects, images, PDFs, or even custom GPTs that you created in ChatGPT for you. So the third method is the most advanced and also the most manual, tedious task. Maybe in the future they will have just a transfer button and transfer all the folders and custom GPTs in the future maybe. But for now, we need to do things more manually. First of all, what I recommend is to export all your data first. To export all your data, chats, and conversations, just go to your profile, go to settings here, and go to data controls. Once you're in data controls, go to export data. Click on export, and you need to verify your email so that it can send your data directly to your email after a few days, depending on how much data you have. So I feel like it's a bit buggy, so you need to keep doing it a few times until you receive the email from ChatGPT/OpenAI that your data export has started. And once it has started, you need to wait 24 to 48 hours depending on how much data you have. Once you receive it, you can just download your data export and it will be in a zip folder like this. As you can see, this is my exported data. It will export all your images, PDF, chats, and you can see this chat.html is the most importantly. It is your entire history of your chat, and it is 70 megabytes, which means there are around 7 million characters in it, which is a lot of chat data. So you can't just dump everything into Claude or any LLM because it's just too much context. But this is useful if you want to transfer particular images or PDFs. You just have to transfer it one by one manually. So as you can see, this is the manual method. Now you want to transfer our projects to Claude. So Claude has a similar projects folder. As you can see, it's also called projects. And once you click projects, you can just create a new project and create whatever ChatGPT projects that you have. And if you have any sources or instructions, you can also just paste it into it. Create the project. And as you can see, they'll have memory, which you can't really edit, instructions and files. So really similar to ChatGPT. Also, you can only have a maximum of 5 projects in Claude if you are using the free plan. But if you're pro, it's unlimited. So if you go to ChatGPT, if you have any source or instructions, you can easily just paste it in here. And even if you have any PDF or images, just transfer it here. And as you can see, if you go back to your exported data, you can just drag the images into it. And if you want to specifically create instructions and summarize this entire folder, you can use this prompt, which I'm also going to be linked down in the description. So basically it acts as an AI system architect, and I'm going to migrate this specific folder to Claude. So just send prompt into this project folder and it will just summarize this project folder alone. And once you have this project instructions, you can just read over it. And if you need to summarize, feel free to summarize. But what I'm going to do is just copy and paste it into instructions here and just paste it all here. And then just click on Save Instructions. Next, if you use custom GPTs, you can also import it into Claude, but it is not called custom GPT. In Claude, it is called Skills. So if you go to Claude and at the bar on the left, you can click on Customize and you can go to Skills. So these are the other version of custom GPT. What you want is to click on Add Skills, Create Skill. You can either create with Claude, they will prompt you step by step, or write skill instructions, which is what I normally do. So you just gotta name your skill and just a short description. And for the instructions, you can go back to your custom GPT, click on the top left hand corner, click on Edit GPT. So once you're here, you're just gonna copy all the instructions here, go back to your Claude and just paste it, and yeah, just create it. You can just use this skill in any chat. You just need to slash and just type in the skill and you'll use that skill, which I think is really convenient. One thing to note is that Claude still can't generate images directly in their platform. If your custom GPT is related to images, you can't use that in Claude. You gotta use Google Gemini or something. To summarize, if you do not use much ChatGPT and you just want a quick migration, you can just simply use method 1. If you talk to ChatGPT a lot, yet you do not have any files or custom GPTs, you can just use method 2, which is just to paste the prompt and it will dig out all the conversation and you can just put it into Claude's memory. Or method 3, if you have a lot of custom GPTs and PDFs or project folders, you need to move them manually one by one, and you can also use the method 2 and method 1 at the same time so that it can know all the memory and information about you. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this helpful, make sure to comment down anything below, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.